Episode 8 of Ron Kamonohashi's Forbidden Deductions begins with Jumanji panicking over delayed arrival of the police. Ishiki goes over the crime scene again and finds that each light has been shot with a gun, but only one gunshot was heard. He attempts Ron's method of lying next to the dead, but is scared after looking at Onodera's face. He then remembers Jumanji telling earlier that the telescope automatically tracks and records its positions. Just as he finds the recording, someone approaches him with a ladder. After the opening credits, we see that the person is Mr. Grizzly, who mistook Ishiki for an intruder. Grizzly is investigating to gather evidence and prove Ron is guilty. He is determined to get Ron a death sentence. Grizzly informs that he has already interviewed everyone. A general conclusion is that Onodera was last seen at 11 p.m. when she said she is heading to her room to get some equipment. He finds it odd that Onodera did not set up her equipment earlier following a bad weather forecast. The shot that they all had at 1 a.m. is the one that killed Onodera. Grizzly also asked for everyone's alibi. Jumanji was away at his office for 30 minutes between 11:30 p.m. and midnight. Donzawa was at the rooftop all the time except one restroom trip at midnight. Mizuno was in the kitchen from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. She was talking to Orheim around the time the gunshot was heard. Orheim did a 40-minute live stream from midnight to 12:40 a.m., after which she went to fetch drinks from the kitchen and met Mizuno. Ishiki and Grizzly were on the rooftop the whole time. Only Ron was away since 10:30 p.m. after he retired for the night. This only means that everyone except Ron has an alibi during the time of the murder. Ishiki still firmly believes Ron is innocent. Grizzly asks what Ron means to Ishiki. Ishiki says Ron is a friend. Grizzly is surprised to see Ron have someone close enough to him to trust him beyond the fields of logic. He had not thought that Ron would ever show a